Today's tip is about the Windows Clipboard and a little known feature that allows you to copy multiple items and then paste them back when you want. So we all know how to use the clipboard. Highlight the text we want. We press Ctrl C and then Ctrl V. We'll paste it back in. Now how useful would it be if you had a history and could actually copy multiple things for pasting back later? Let's have a look and see how we do that. So you go to the Start button and you right click and select System. Then you select the Clipboard option and then you select Clipboard History and turn that on. And then close it down. Let's open Notepad again. So let's try again. So we copy, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Now what if we want to paste Alto again? We don't have to do that anymore. It's Windows V and then that brings up a list of options for you and you just select the one you want and that'll paste it in. Let's try that again. So Windows V and then select the one you want and paste it in again. Very useful tip.